Hi, Betty. You look quiet today. Are you feeling okay?
Hi, Sam. I am okay, but I feel a little heavy inside.
Heavy inside? That sounds emotional. Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, talking helps me. When I talk, my heart feels lighter.
That is good. When we share feelings, we feel better. What is on your mind?
I am thinking about my past. Some days are happy, but some days feel lonely.
I understand. I also think about my past sometimes. Feelings can come and go.
Yes, feelings come and go.
Come and go means feelings do not stay forever.
Today, I feel calm because I am sitting with you.
Thank you, Sam. I feel calm too.
Do you remember when we first met?
Yes, I remember clearly. We met at the small park near my house.
Present tense, I feel calm, means how we feel now.
You were sitting alone on a bench.
Yes, I was feeling sad that day.
I wanted to talk to you, but I was shy.
And I was afraid to talk to anyone.
Past tense, was feeling, talks about a feeling in the past.
But I said hello, and you smiled.
That small hello changed my day.
Small words can have big power.
Yes, simple words can touch the heart.
Sam and Betty take a small walk in the park.
Betty, do you feel lonely often?
Sometimes, especially at night.
Nights can be quiet. Quiet can make feelings louder.
That is true. When everything is quiet, my thoughts speak.
What do your thoughts say?
They ask questions like, am I enough? Or does anyone understand me?
Those are deep questions.
Yes, I think many people ask these questions, but they do not say them out loud.
I ask those questions too.
Really?
Yes, even when I smile, I sometimes feel unsure inside.
That makes me feel less alone.
You are not alone, Betty.
Thank you. Hearing that helps my heart.
Let me tell you something. When I was younger, I felt invisible.
Invisible?
Yes, like no one really saw me.
That must have hurt.
It did. I tried to be strong, but inside I felt weak.
It is okay to feel weak sometimes.
I learned that later in life.
Me too. Before, I thought strong people never cry.
But now we know strong people do cry.
Yes, crying is not weakness, it is honesty.
Exactly.
Sam, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How do you deal with sad feelings?
I accept them. I say, it is okay to feel sad today.
That sounds kind.
Being kind to yourself is very important.
I am learning that.
Learning takes time.
Time heals many things.
Present tense, time heals, shows a general truth.
Do you ever feel happy for no reason?
Yes, sometimes. Like when I see sunlight in the morning.
Or when you hear a soft song?
Or when a friend listens to you.
Listening is a gift.
You listen very well, Sam.
Thank you. I listen because I care.
That means a lot to me.
Betty, what makes you smile these days?
Simple things, warm tea, kind words, slow mornings.
Simple things are often the best things.
I agree.
Do you feel hopeful about the future?
Some days, yes. Some days, no.
That is honest.
I am learning that hope does not mean always happy.
Yes, hope means I keep going.
I like that meaning.
Me too.
Sam, I want to say something.
I am listening.
Thank you for being patient with me.
Thank you for trusting me.
Trust is built slowly.
Like learning English, slowly and gently.
That is true.
When we learn slowly, we understand deeply.
And when we feel slowly, we heal deeply.
Beautifully said.
I feel lighter now.
I can see it in your face.
Talking really helps.
You can always talk to me.
I will remember that.
Before we go, can I say one last thing?
Yes, please.
Your feelings matter.
And your feelings matter too.
Thank you.
Today, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I learned that I am not broken. I am human.
That is a powerful lesson.
Yes, and humans feel many things.
Happy, sad, hopeful, afraid.
And all of those feelings are okay.
Exactly.
I feel grateful right now.
I feel grateful too.
Maybe peace begins with understanding ourselves.
I believe that.
Thank you for today, Sam.
Thank you, Betty.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is a new day.
And a new feeling.
Whatever we feel, we will face it together.
Together.
Feelings are not enemies. When we talk, and so be gentle, just like learning to understand our hearts.